Hello anime fans, K-pop fans, and card collectors. This is Tomex, and you probably saw the title already of this video. Yes, we are unboxing the K-pop Demon Hunters collector card set. Actually, it's called the Exquisite collection card. This is by a Chinese company called Zheijiang Heika Animation Culture Company. So if you aren't really familiar with the K-pop Demon Hunter, this is actually a animations slash musical. I won't say musical, but it's an animation that was created by Sony, and it came out in 2025. It's about 3 girls who are K-pop idol who are also demon hunters, and they have this interesting storyline with another K-pop group who are demons, to try to, I guess, protect versus take over the world. All right, so yeah, they were popular, they were hit, and yeah, you're as expected. Someone's gonna create a card set for you. All right, so this is what this box looks like. Part of the beating up part of it, you can see a lot of foiling. First of all, let's look at the dimension of this box. So technically this is a display box. This is supposed to be the top or the front, but we'll start here. So this is about 5 1/4 wide. Looks like a square, so yep, about the same for the height. A little bit more than 5 inches, and depth is almost 3 inches. All right, let's have a quick look at the what we see here. So let's start with the front of the box. Sorry, the foiling is a little bit overpowering. So we got K-pop Demon Hunter here, exquisite collectible cards on there, some kind of white crystal and pink border kind of a background there, and then we got Susie, the crow there, or a bird. This tiger that is called Derpy, and they got the 3 demon hunters. So from left to right we have Mira, Rumi, Zoe. All right. On the top we have them in the animation form. On the back here, we sort of saw already, we have the title, the manufacturer information, and the barcodes. Nothing you see on the bottom. On this side you have their logo, Huntrix, and a cartoon version of the trio. On their side you have the same image, just reversed. All right, without further ado, let's unleash these cards. See what we get. Just making a prediction here. Probably these are screenshots from the animation, but looks like hopefully we get some kind of like third-party art or cute design. Nothing much known, like how many packs are in here, but we'll find out right now. All right, cool. There's all the packs. Well, there's nothing much of a design inside. Ooh, what a nice fit. That's a lot of packs. Alright, so I'm gonna put that. See how much space this box will take, or do we need? Looks like here's all the packs. Let me give a quick lucky shuffle. As usual, thank you for watching to this part of the video, or these kind of video. If you like it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Also check out other videos on our channel. We do unboxing of non-sport cards, Marvel, DC, more focus. We do anime cards like these, and some other fun cards that we find around. Disney cards, Star Wars cards, just to name a few. Alright, that's a lot of cards packed. One more shuffle. Alright, so I don't know how many cards is in a pack. Doesn't say on the packs itself. And don't know what the hit rates are. So here they are. Gotta do 2 stacks. First thing first, I already noticed. This is the pack design. This is the more cartoon color pack design. That's on the box. The back has the same information that is also on the box itself. And then there is another version. This is the image straight from the animation, but it looks like the color was altered a little bit, toned down. Back looks the same. All right. Oh, and let's see, how many packs do we have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 in this stack. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Looks 30. Looks like there's 30 packs in the set, in a box. All right. Let's just crack these open. All right, am I looking at the front or the back? Looks like I'm looking at the back. So these are quite thick cards. They don't look like standard size card. Let me take a standard size card, overlay them. Probably a Yu-Gi-Oh kind of card. So that's the side of it, and you have that much left. All right. And it looks like on the back, you have the 3 Demon Hunters. Huntrix up here. The name of the set here, we got a blue background, a orange background, and yellow background for the first pack. So I'm guessing the hits are these ones. So let's have a look. All right, first one is, again, yes, a screenshot from the anime. And this is an AR card. And you got this border. It looks like it is like a receipt or a stamp. You got K-pop Demon under here. You got the number here, LMNT AR-17. Foiling background in the back there. Foiling AR, this key here. I assume that's a key. Alright, so that's what that one is, purple. Next one, we got another one. So this one in white or gold, kind of like their final show. This is on a light blue background. This is card 08. Or maybe this is beginning, because they tend to, numbers tend to go ascending orders with the show. That's that. And we got a duplicate. First pack, 2 duplicates in there. So maybe there's not that much AR cards in this set. Next we start our second hit. Okay, we got a character card, non-foil. This is Mystery Saja. So SR card number 6. This is the orange background one. And then we got a chibi one. I call it chibi because that's what a lot of animation do. On a QR card on Zoe. So not foil as well. Number 5. So interesting, the more rare cards don't get foil. Alright, next pack. Okay, a mixed color. We got a pink one this time on the back. So first one, oh, we got Mira on a foil on the SR. So she gets a foil treatment. Back of the card is the orange card, same as the Mystery Saja. Next we got Mystery Saja on the QR. Now this one has foiling. He gets foiling. Zoe doesn't get foiling. That's a weird. Card number 2. Blue background. Alright, pink background, we got a, ooh, okay, Mira, and this is a cartoon art called XR card. It's got foiling on it. Pink background. And then SSR, oh, got a different. SSR, this is Rumi's mother? So no foil for her on the purple. And we got another one. This is Saja on the SSR. Nope, we got a green one this time. Alright, we got Jinyu. Right, Jinyu on the QR. Again, foil for QR. On the green one, we got Rumi on a UR. We haven't seen this one yet. Looks like a pass. You got some barcodes up here. That's the green background one. We got, yep, the cartoon art that's on the box for Zoe, the same style. This one has foiling on the SR. And then we got SSR Arumi. Purple background is purple back of the card. This is orange. Purple. This is a SSR. So still not foil on there. Then we get SR on Romance Saja. SR. Right. Ooh, different art style of Mura, I think. Looks a little bit different, anime style on the SSR. Duplicate. AR, not foil. So there's a foil version and a not foil version. To the same card. Remember the same number, right? 08. 08. So I don't know if that's a design for fair variation or is that a quality difference issue. Then we got okay, this one is the one of the funny scenes where they kind of modified their features a little bit. So this is Zoe when she's snacking. Get that shark mouth over there on the SR. And we got Rumi on the QR. So there's no, it seems like there's no consistency pattern on the pack, so you're just gonna get a random set of 5 cards. Ooh, this got all bent out. That's not good. A random set of 5 cards, and it can be foil or non-foil, even though maybe this the same card image, like this one. So we hit the one with foil. This one is non-foil. Rumi non-foil. Yep. And there's Zoe card on the SR, non-foil. This is AR card. All right. So this is when they go undercover. And we got a SSR of Jinyu on the foil. Who's this? Baby Saja on the UR. That's the green background one. Rumi on the XR, non-foil. Abi Saja on the SR. Sorry if I'm not kind of remembering what was shown, what was not shown. Zoe again is on SSR. Zoe again on the SR. Yeah, I wonder if we're gonna get the tiger and the pigeon, you know, Those are kind of fun character to get. Alright, this is Baby Saja again. QR this time. Foil. Mira on the UR. Foil. Abby on the foil SR. Rumi on the SSR, non-foil. Rumi on the SR, non-foil. That clear out. All right. Zoe on the XR, non-foil. AR, non-foil. Them all enjoying their own brand cup noodle. Or ramen. Zoe on the SR, new image. No, that's Rumi. This is Zoe. Zoe on the SR as well. Got Baby Saja. No, Mystery on the SR foil. Try to speed up a little bit. We'll see. Rumi. Keep going the wrong way. SSR. QR. Non-foil. QR foil. Romance. UR foil. Eating their cup noodles. Romance on SR. Rumi on the SR. Oh, a two-person. Romance and Baby on the SSR. Baby on the UR foil. Rumi on the XR foil. I believe we didn't get that one on the foil. Rumi on the SR. Rumi on the UR with her weapon. Zoe with her weapon, different art style on the XR foil. Duplicate, not foil. Mira, disgusted face, SSR. So far, still just 6 types of cards. Maybe that's it. That's all. There we go, Derpy on the AR. Mystery, SSR, foil. Jinnu on the QR, foil. Romance, no, Abby on the QR, non-foil. Zoe non-foil on the UR. Duplicate. Alright. UR foil. Saw that one. And we got the male K-pop group all in one shot on the AR non-foil. Oh, we got the foil version. SSR. SSR. Zoe. Yep. Second duplicate card in the same pack. Jinyu on the UR, non-foil. Zoe on the XR. Zoe on the UR. Zoe on XR. Zoe again on the SR. Abby on the SSR foil. Mirror on the SR foil. Didn't pay attention. Was there like 3 unfoil, 1 foil, or 2 foils? Now just looking at, kind of don't think so. All right, let me. I mean, it looks like we're seeing much of it. Let me quickly just, yeah, let me try to just maybe go through it, make this video go a little bit faster. Hold on. Okay, so quickly just cut everything out, stack them all together in here, and just looking on the back of color, I didn't see any new colors that came out. So that's probably, yeah, all of it. All right, so let's see. XR, foil. Girls having a party. AR foil, 2 foil. 3 foil on the SR, and then 1 non-foil, 2 non-foil on both on the SR. So you get 3 foils. Work out, I guess. That scene. SSR, foil on the mystery QR, non-foil on the QR, and nope. Got an extra card there. Baby on the UR. And they got non-foil. So that was 3 and then 2. 3 foil and 2 non-foil. Keep up team. Mother. I think people hate her. SSR. 3 non-foil. 2 foil. 1 foil. 2 foil. That's 5 cards. Foil. UR. No, this is new. Jinyu on the XR. New pose. Duplicate. New pose for Rumi on the SR. Rumi on the SR. Singing, shouting. Baby, QR, saw that. I think we saw the QR. UR, Mira, UR. Saw this one. So this one, I didn't think we got the foil. Now we got the foil one. Yeah. Rumi on the SSR. Zoe on the QR. UR, QR, yeah. UR. So this one. Put the wrong one there. So XR has that little black cat on the corner. This is new. SSR. Casual wear. Big smile, SSR. UR. Oh, foil and non-foil. Oh, this is new. The girl pose. Foil. SR. XR. And the non-foil version. SR foil. SR foil. QR. SSR. Here's the boy band with the foil background one. Foil for the mother. Zoe. Yes, our mystery. You are Rumi. Oh. Casual wear. Foil. Performancing. Foil. Discuss look. SSR. So this one, this is the non-foil one. Continue on the non-foil QR. Zoe on the foil QR. Continue on the foil UR. Zoe on the foil XR. This is new. She has claws. Huh. Oh, here's a new one. XR. Rumi with all her tattoo, demon tattoo. This is the first card. Okay. SR mirror. Rumi on the SR. Jaws on the SR. SR's up there. SSR Rumi foil. SR mystery foil. Rumi on the UR. Zoe on the XR. So again, this is a different one. Second card, different art style. SR foil. SR foil. SSR Zoe. XR Zoe. SSR mirror. SSR singing. This is a new pose. SR non-foil XR, and the last card a foil XR of Zoe again. All right, so that's all the packs for this one box of K-pop Demon Hunter, the Exquisite collection cards. So again, it had 30 packs. Each pack had 5 cards. So that is 150 cards in the box. There looks to be just 6 dominant card type. There's the AR card. And all these type has both foil and non-foil version of the cards. You got the AR card, which looks like a screenshot of the a scene from the animation. Yep, see non-foil. These are the yellow background one. You then get SR cards. So these are also from the animation, but more on just the one character bus pictures. Some are a little bit more full body. These are the orange background cards. And then let's see, SR, let's do SSR. We got, again, these are the purple background cards. We got XR cards. These look like just Polaroid photos. You got some alt arts. This is one I think we hit some of the more lower number cards here. These are the pink background. We got these UR cards that looks like pass with the character's face on image on it. Again, foil and non-foil are in here. These are the green background cards. And last but not least, we got the QR cards. These are the chibi cards. Same deal. These are the blue background cards. And in our set, we got the most is the SR card, actually. That's the most amount of cards we got. Followed by, I'll say SSR cards. And then XR cards. Then UR cards. followed by QR cards. And the one that actually had the least are the AR cards, the one that are whole team pictures. Alright, so that concludes the set of K-Pop Demon Hunter, the box we have. Thank you for staying tuned to this part of the video. Hope you like this kind of video. If you do, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and check out other videos on the channel. As always here, embrace the little surprises in life. So yeah, you know, I'm glad they didn't overdo the and you know, too much of the third-party art style. We got the chibi that looks nice. We got some of these that are look. So I think whoever is screening these images are doing a great job. You know, some of these arts are really stunning. So great. And then they have a lot from the screens, so that's kind of nice. Card's quality pretty good. It is a smaller card than your standard card, but that's kind of fine. I mean, you don't expect it to be standard card as well. So yeah, hope you like this kind of video. As usual, thank you for watching our video. Take care and catch you on the next video. All right, bye.